Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup look, and so I hope you guys enjoy. I literally do this makeup look every time basically I wear makeup, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So here I am, barefaced and all, and here's all my makeup, and again, and again. So I'm going to first prime my lids with the Milani foundation, the one I have right there. And I love this foundation. I'm going to use this all around my face, but I'm first applying it on my eyelids just so everything can be the same color and all that jazz. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe, the little palette. It's a Copper Popper palette. If y'all remember this, it's like a limited edition palette, so it's no longer being sold. But I'm basically using okay, so on the picture, it is the first row, the second from the left, and then the bottom row, I'm using the second from the left and the last shade. And so I'm just going to put that, on my lids, the transition color, and on my outer corner, if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm rushing through this. Then I'm going to be using my two favorite primers at the moment. So I'm going to put that all on my face just to get ready for my foundation. And then I'm going to go with the LA Girl color concealer in orange. Y'all don't have to do this, but I feel like this makes a difference under my eyes because I have like dark circles, so Lord knows I need this. And then I'm going to go with that Milani foundation and just apply it all over my face. I was a little worried I looked too green, but I think it looked alright. I feel like in this lighting, it kind of looked a little off, but I can make it work in certain lighting. But yes, the Milani, I think it's Conceal and Perfect foundation. Then I'm just going to powder under my eyes. And here goes dance break number 1. Now I'm just wiping the foundation off my lips. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess. This is my all-time favorite mascara at the moment. I swear, this mascara is only like $3 or $4, and it does wonders for my eyelashes. Makes them so long and so voluminous. I definitely would recommend this. Go get it. I'm just going to bronze up my face. I would tell you what product I'm using, but the thing is seriously like 5 years old. I know, I need to get a new one. So it ain't no reason for me to tell y'all what it's from. Just use your favorite bronzer and do what you like to do. After I spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray, I'm going to go in with these new Wet n Wild loose highlighters, and I like this one, but yeah, this was way too silver. Like, it's blinding, y'all. Like, you can see right here, but it's way too silver for me. Like, you can see it on my face. So I had to mix it up with another one that was too dark for me, but the mixture made it like just perfect. But I would go and get another one. But I really do recommend these highlighters. They are the business for, drugstore. Look how bright that is. Okay. Then I'm just going to apply some clear lip gloss from Essence. And here goes dance break number 2. I can't. This is why I can't. I'm going to go with that setting spray one last time, and we are all finished. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple look. It's what I do all the time. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd really, really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys next time. See ya!